it's a beautiful weekend and just getting some walking. Didn't feel like going to the park. And I'm visiting my brother, so I said, let me go walking. Somebody cut their grass, and sometimes it's too hot for people to pick up the clippings, so they cut one day and pick up the clippings the next day. Just a quick walk, early afternoon. I wanted to go for a walk and forgot my sneakers. So I'm walking in Birkenstocks. Or walking in my Birkenstocks. They're comfy, but I like to walk in sneakers. Just a nice little early afternoon summer walk. You know I love it when it's like this. It's 84 and cloudy, and it's gonna rain at 2 o'clock. So it's 1:40, we getting ready to have rain. So just a quick little walk. I came to visit my brother, and I left my sneakers home. I bought all sandals. My brother and my parents came to visit them, and I left my sneakers. So I have on sandals, but whatever. Some people don't even wear shoes to go walking, you know. I need to do some grounding, but it's too many bugs in the grass. Oh, something in my eye. I don't have a good grip with my shoes. I can't go as fast like when I have my sneakers on. I don't know how I left home without my sneakers. So, anyway. Morning. You ever go away and do a little small road trip and don't feel like heading home because you don't want to do the drive? Well, that's how I'm feeling. So I don't know if this little walk will give me energy or is it going to make me tired. But I visited my parents and my brother. And now it is time to say, goodbye to all my family. Oh, gosh. My mom waiting for me. You know, older people, they always want to wait for you. Visiting my parents, and her land guy is on vacation. But he's got to come do her grass. Ma, I'm going to go through the back because I'm going to do exercise. Yeah. It's the wrong side. See you next time. Thanks for joining me. Peace and blessings.